Soundland Corporation was founded in 1975, a professional foundry with more than 40 years of experience in development and production. From self-development, design, and production of microphone-related products to the joint venture with Japan's Roland company to produce Roland and Boss brand guitar effects, sound processors, digital recorders, digital mixers, digital audio-visual mixers, and other audio instrument-related products. Soundland has learned about market demand from its foundry experience, and then began to develop and produce its own products and brands. The self-owned brand maker Hart develops and produces personal mobile mixing devices and sells them all over the world in conjunction with e-commerce channels. We have the most complete supply chain system, from plastic injection, metal sheet processing, NC processing, lathe cutting and washing, surface treatment, baking varnish, and 3D printing. All projects are equipped with professional factories to provide high-quality parts. Soundland has a complete production process, from ERP material management and control, SMT LINE, DIP line, assembly line, cell assembly, one-person workstation, bundling, shipping, and providing customers with complete production services. Guitar effects, sound processors, digital recorders, digital mixers. Soundland has issued a set of product history management cloud app system by itself, which can provide all production line information to supervisors or customers in time. Develop AGV unmanned guided vehicles and cloud dispatch systems to assist in all handling operations. It can also be connected to the elevator system, call, and take the elevator by itself and move across floors. All systems have been applied in the factory. In 2020, we began to enter smart medical care. We have used voice technology for many years and extended the distribution of electronic stethoscopes with some famous doctors in the medical field. We also obtained the ISO 13485 license in January 2021 and are scheduled to officially start sales in 2021.
科英国际致力于追求永续经营过程中，坚持持续不断的创新开发和品质提升，生产符合客户需求，提供最好的产品，使顾客满意。
Provide the best products to satisfy customers.